the graph, the equation of the axis of symmetry for graph A. So this line is axis
Attention
symmetry.
students, dance tickets are now being sold in the
X equal
student
to
store.
-2. The coordinate for the vertex, so -2. That's the vertex there. And -5. The equation for axis of symmetry of graph B is right there. That is x equal to, that point is 3. So the coordinate then is 3, 4. The vertex is right there. It says right, okay.
Miss Jordan?
Yeah,
Miss Jordan?
yeah,
Be right back. I'm gonna go buy my dance tickets.
okay. 4G. 3D.
Can you open the back door?
3D. And
I'm gonna buy my dance tickets here.
2, 5. 2 is I. And -2, 1 is B.
Hector Moreno, please come to the main office. Hector Moreno, please come to the main office.
This one you need to find axis of symmetry and the vertex. Well, only the vertex is on your answer column. You really need axis of symmetry, but what I'm going to look for on your homework, though, you need to do this on line paper or another, a computer paper. Okay. First thing you need to do is write number 5, AS, axis of symmetry, x equals -b over 2a. I need formula, okay? And then -b, this is -4, so -4 over 2 times a, which is 1, I believe. Yep, a is 1, so x equals to 4 over 2, so x equals to 2. So your vertex, label it 2. Your vertex then is, put x all in there, 2, so I'm going to do it here. 2 squared minus 4 times 2, that's 4 minus 8 plus 1, that's 5 minus 8 is -3. So the vertex is 2, -3. Check your answer if it's right. 2, -3. So that's number 5 is letter C. Number 6, axis of symmetry for number 6. Again, formula x equals -b over 2a. It's 6, so -6 over 2 times a, which is 1, which gets you x equals -6 over 2, x equals -3. Okay, so do your vertex then. Put in -3. So the vertex is -3 and it's 9 plus -18 plus 5. That's 14. times negative 4. So number 6 is negative 3e. Okay. So on the scratch sheet of paper, number 7, axis of symmetry. AS, x equals negative b over 2a. I'm looking for all the formulas for this. Notice this doesn't have a b, so this is 2x squared plus a 0x minus 9. Okay. So you got x equal to negative 0 over 2. Doesn't matter what a is. What are you looking for?
Oh, the one is in the garden.
Is it? Hold on. Did someone take it?
I hope not. Did you use it? Just like one more. It was like
Oh, right here it is. It's there.
The one time I need it sunny, it's not sunny.
A is 2 here in this case. So 0 divided by 4 is still 0, okay? X equal to 0. So x equal to 0. Put 0, 0, oh, negative 9. 7. Okay. I hope you guys got this. Okay, let's do the fraction one. I'm gonna do you guys should be able to do all the other ones. I hope. Remember the same thing as y, okay? I'll do number 12. I'll do axis of symmetry here. Make sure you do it on a separate sheet of paper. That you put AS x equals negative b over 2a. B is 3, so x equals negative 3 over 2 times negative 1 over 2. Cross cancel, that makes 3. X equals to 3. So your vertex is 3. So 3 squared here plus 2 times 3 minus 2. So you get negative 9 over 2 plus 9 minus 2. That gets you 7. So negative 9 over 2 plus 7. 7 is 14 over 2. So you get 5 over 2. 3 and 5 over 2, which is 2 2/5. Make sure you do work where I can understand it. This is chicken scratch. It's very important that I know you know how to do fraction. Girl, I mean, I need to record these videos, so I need you guys to be quiet or not cook today. Guys, are you listening? I need to record this because 4th period says for me to record. So either you're quiet or you don't make any cooking today, okay? I'm sorry, but I need to do the video today. Sorry. Just for today. Okay, number 11 here. X equals to negative b over 2a. So that's a 4. So x equals to negative 4 over 2 times 1/2. makes it a 1, so x equal to, not an equal to here, basically -4. Okay, that's your axis of symmetry. And then, so your vertex then is -4, comma, make sure I read the work. This is all on line paper. And then I need to see clearly this work so I know what you're doing. 4 squared, so 1/2 times 16 leaves you 8, right? Leaves you 8 plus 4 times, again, -4 plus 1. You got -8 plus 1 is -7. That's how you do that. These, okay? And then mark it in there. Now, for all these problems, you have to use this formula right here. So, if you're reading this carefully, you shouldn't have any problem with this. T represents time in seconds, and V is the upward velocity, which means speed per second in feet. C is the constant or an initial height. So first problem here, so Zan throws a ball upward with initial velocity of 64 feet. Okay, so that's 64 feet, upward velocity is 64 feet per second. So that's velocity. The ball is 5 feet above the ground when it leaves hand. So this 5 goes into C. This goes into V. So the problem is that you have, before you even start, is H equals -16t squared plus 64t plus 5. And then you answer this. How many seconds will the ball reach the maximum height? So if we throw a ball, it goes like this. When will it hit the maximum height? So the time right there, the x. So you need to find your axis of symmetry. This is your axis of symmetry. And then what is the ball's maximum height? And that's when you find H. You find your this answer right there. Same thing with this one. You got a new equation here. H equals -16t squared. This is with a velocity of 80t plus the 3 there. This is axis of symmetry. This is the vertex. Okay, that should help you find your answer.